They used my name on a document I did not approve.
Document, sinabit sa kanya.
So, okay ha?
Pero may pirma ka doon.
Denaya. Bula!
O, yung pala eh.
Diyos ko, hindi ko pa nga nakita.
Nilagay lang pangalan
okay ha?
mo.
Anong nabasa ko doon?
Sir, pangalan nyo lang.
Pangalan nila katabi ng pangalan ko. Ano yun?
Isa ka lang o isa ka lang.
Wait, teka, dumaan lang ako dito para mag-hello.
Ilan kayo nakapangalan doon? Nakalagay ang
Sir,
pangalan.
ikaw
Ako lang.
Ikaw lang?
Ikaw lang talaga.
Ako lang.
Pero hindi nakikipag-reach out sa'yo si Bruce, ha?
Wala.
So sir, it's not true that
You never talk.
Sir,
Buti ako, ha?
Kasal na ako.
Buti ako, reach out lang ko,
Sir
ha?
Rivera was claiming that the lawmaker na kung kanino nila iniwan yung complaint ay lumapit na sa kanila when they were still drafting the complaint because the lawmaker wanted to endorse it daw.
That would not be me. Whoever that lawmaker is, it surely isn't me.
Ilan naman yung brother mo? Baka
May
naman-
nakita ka na impeachment complaint with your name on it.
I saw the front page that said complaint bearing my name and the names of other individuals who I do not know.
So ano ka sir, complainant?
Of course not.
Hindi,
ano yung nandun? Endorser ka?
How were you identified? Yes,
On that piece of paper that I saw that I have not read,
Yeah.
yes.
Endorser.
So you were the only congressman in that paper?
On the first page, yes.
Complainant. Kung first page yan, complainant.
First page?
Pero sir, was there ever a time you talked to this
First page,
group of
eh.
lawyers?
Hindi,
No.
Ascon siguro.
I do not know these
Baka
people.
yung side.
I have not met them. I have not shook their hands. Even when I ask them, magkakilala ba tayo? Have we ever met? Have we ever spoken with each other? Ang sagot nila, hindi.
Yung brother mo.
Sandali. Linawin natin ito. Yung nakita mo, first page with your name.
Ganito kakapal.
Ay, hindi.
Oh.
First page with your name. Tapos may mga kasunod na ibang pangalan pa.
Hindi.
O resolution of endorsement ito.
Hindi. Ang nakasulat, pangalan nila through representative Jericho Nograles, PBA party list versus Lenny Robredo.
Sir, can you identify the names of the lawyers?
I could not remember the
Ano yun
names.
Resolution of endorsement eh.
Sir, is it Bruce Rivera, sir? Bruce Rivera
Mukhang.
and Trixie Angeles, sir?
Yes, I think so. I think that's correct.
Sorry, did you feel like they were on some sort of fishing expedition trying to find a congressman to endorse their complaint?
I am not in a position to answer that. Let's put it this way. I have no idea how to react to something I do not know. All I found out is that there is a group of people who want me to endorse something I have not read. And for me, that is improper at the best.
So where's the copy now, sir? Binalik niyo ba sa kanila or nasa iyo pa?
Binalik ko sa kanila eh. Anong gawin ko dyan? Hindi ko trabaho yan.
Do you know of any other congressmen who were approached by these people?
Hindi kayo napagkamalang kay Kauskari.
BBA nakalagay.
Kung nagkamalan sila na pinagkamalan ako na Carlo, bakit Jericho nakasulat doon?
Sinabi mo na they can be disbarred for what?
Sir, can you parang explain bakit
They can be
this is
disbarred.
an offense that is a ground for disbar?
I find it highly irregular for attorneys at law to use my name over a document that they prepared without my consent.
That is ground for disbarment.
It can be
May plano ka ba magreklamo?
misrepresentation.